Hey guys, this is Alex checking in from Six Flags Great Adventure on the final construction update of Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth. It is May 18th and the ride opens in just about a week. So let's go up and check out everything and see everything that has to be done before it opens next week. So we're going to take a look at some of the views that we've seen in the previous construction updates. This one you can see that the queue and landscaping and fencing has all been installed now. Right now the ride is pretty much ready to go. I'm assuming it's just waiting for final certification. It's been testing. This is right before the entrance. It's a little island that I assume will have a Wonder Woman statue or something of the sort. That still needs to be installed. Also, a test seat's now been installed. These have been installed now. They're columns with little information facts about Wonder Woman. Those look pretty nice. The sign is now installed, of course. Really, it's pretty much ready to go. It's just some last finishing details. Hopefully that asphalt is properly cured by the time it opens, because it was sticky and got all over our shoes, which kind of sucked. Even outside of the, of course, outside of the construction fences. But that's about it. Ride's pretty much ready to go. So I will not be able to make opening day because I'll be in Canada, but I will provide some video and ride reactions as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe and like button and leave a comment below.